to add YouTube videos to your Shopify product pages. Adding YouTube videos to your Shopify product pages can help showcase your products better, boost engagement, and increase conversions. Follow these simple steps to embed videos into your product descriptions. 1. Copy the YouTube video link. Find the video you want to add on YouTube, click Share, and then copy the video URL. 2. Open your Shopify product page, log into your Shopify admin panel, navigate to Products, and select the product where you want to add the video. 3. Embed the video in the product description editor, click the Insert Video button if available. If not, switch to the HTML mode by clicking the Code View icon and paste the YouTube embed code. You can adjust the width and height for a better fit on your page. 4. Save and preview. Once the video is added, click Save and preview your product page to ensure the video appears and plays correctly. And that's all for this video. Please also note that this is not an app commercial or paid promotion, but just a tutorial on how to add YouTube videos on Shopify product pages. If you have any copyright or other inquiries, please email tutorialorabis@gmail.com. Thank you.